Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin. This is my week 2 review video, and this week was pretty smooth. The only real issue I had was updating my list views after I injected the Ajax call. I couldn't get these to work, like to have the styling or whatever, and also to generate the extra the pages from the drop down from the nested list. I couldn't get that figured out for it was a pretty good while actually. I spent trying to figure that. Oh, I kind of on and off. I would like think of something and try it out, and it wouldn't work. So then I would just go and do something else. Well, I ended up figuring it out, and that was really the only issue I had. Something that went really well was my XML. The second data I came up with, I basically just did this in one try. I just coded everything out and it worked perfectly, and I was actually kind of really surprised because like with the first one I had to go through all the figuring out how to do everything, and then I figured out how to update the list. So then when I did the second one, which goes off of the XML, I just did it in one attempt and it all worked perfectly fine, and I was like, wow, that's awesome. So that was really nice. Just as a quick little overview of what my app does, it's a helper for the game League of Legends, and the first button thumbnail here, it works off of JSON, and it draws the data from there and updates the list. And this is just your champions that you use. And then the second thumbnail is counterpicks. This one goes off of XML, and it's very similar to the first one, but it's just, of course, different file. And then the last one here is the combos. This one goes off of a CSV file, and it's also similar, but just different text and stuff. And then, of course, I need to update all the images still. I haven't really I've been working on the coding, so I haven't updated all the images and the thumbnails. These are from my last app. And also I have these 3 buttons here. I need to make a CTA for it. And those will be to just add each element, which I still need to update some of the, because they're all the same one. They're all the add to roster. And I need to update the forms. So it's all coming together, but I just need to work on like the little tweaks, and then I need to work on the save, edit, and delete functions, which shouldn't be too hard. As for another app or website that uses Ajax calls and gets data from from a database, Google Maps is a great example, because every time you zoom in and everything, it updates and continually updates with the data for that area. So as you zoom in, everything gets more detailed and more data loads into the app. Alright, that's all for this project. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.